Walmart Spark order came in at $28 for 3 miles. Now look, that's great miles to money ratio, but it's an alcohol order on Uber Eats. And on top of it, it's 30 units on one and 50 on the second one. So that's a lot of units, but look, that's why I got my storage containers right there in the back, because that way it's gonna make it easy for me to do those deliveries. No matter how many units, how big it is, how many cases of water, cases of beer, it doesn't matter. Look, welcome to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. On this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps. We doing some Uber Eats, some Walmart Spark, and maybe some DoorDash if they let me on the schedule, but look, don't go for Top Dasher. That's the worst thing you can do. From 527 to 529, complete 15 trips to earn an extra $75 and complete 18 trips to earn an additional $20, totaling at $95 in Walmart Spark incentives. Batch trips count as one trip. This incentive is only valid for the trips in the zone which you receive this notification. Now look, all my Walmart Spark drivers out there, if you receive this notification, this is your Memorial Day weekend promotion right here. You want to make sure you maximize it. You probably already was going to do 15 trips, so you might as well go ahead, throw 3 more trips on there, get you 18 trips done in total, and get you extra 95 bucks. Okay, because this is a great incentive right here. You got to make sure you maximize it every single time Walmart Spark gives you something good like that. And on another note, if you happen to get some Sam's Club orders while doing this incentive, make sure you take advantage, because Sam's Club customers tend to tip a lot more than the Walmart customers. Even though the tip may not be showing up front, Sam's Club just probably hiding it. And I've noticed that in my experience, Sam's Club customers add additional tips afterwards, because you know they be ordering some bulk items, and a lot of times they go ahead, hook it up for you. So make sure you're taking advantage of that Walmart Spark incentive. All right, so we got both orders in the car. We heading down the road now. It's pretty windy out here, but it's still 80 degrees. It's blazing hot. I just got done eating me some Chipotle. Just got done drinking me a Mexican Coca-Cola. They charged me $4 for it. I'm mad as hell. But I got my next order, $17. What was it, 6 miles, I believe? But this is another Walmart Spark alcohol delivery. Let's get it. I'm trying to get this incentive anyway, so I at least want to get 5 orders done today, 5 orders on Sunday, and another 5 on Monday to round it on off. Nope, scratch that, 6 orders a day, because I'm trying to get all 18 orders so I can get that 95 bucks. Stop playing with me. Let's head to Wally World right now. All righty, we made it to part 2 of our Walmart Spark drop-off. All we got is 1 tote. Go ahead and get this up to the door. Gotta have some delivery totes. This is our second Walmart Spark Memorial Day weekend drop-off. So we're gonna need some customer verification for this one. So we got 6 orders in total done for day 1 of this Memorial Day weekend with Walmart Spark. So now if I can get 6 more done on Sunday and another 6 on Monday, I'll be in good shape. Look, those 6 orders in total, I made 116 bucks, which is actually not bad, because for those 6 orders, I'm getting almost an average of $20 per order, which is a little bit higher than I normally see when there's a big incentive going on like this. So look, bro, gotta get 18 orders done in total. This one was $7, 1.8 miles, 1 order. Not a super high paying order, but it is what it is. The next one, I actually had to travel to a whole different Walmart, the Wood River Walmart, but this one gave me 3 to 1 miles money ratio, so it was no issue. $15.46, 5.2 miles. Like I said, good order. So we starting off our day good, and I got my 3rd order already. We finna head into this Walmart right here. This one is a shop and deliver, $18.60, 4.4 miles. Let's go. These are the kind of orders I see even when it ain't no incentive, so I'm definitely trying to maximize. Now, it's only 5 items on this one, so we finna be in and out. 10 minutes. I was in that store, grabbed all those items, checked out, back in the car. And man, look, I cannot be messed with when it comes to these Walmart Spark shopping delivers. If you think you can shop faster than me, drop a comment below, because look, I'm FDA out here. I'm the fastest dasher alive, and part of that means you got to be one of the fastest shoppers too. So if you think you're faster than me, let me know. How many items you grabbing per hour? How many units can you fit up in that car? Is you grabbing a full cart and getting it delivered within an hour? Let me know. Check me out, y'all. I feel like I'm a secret agent out here. I got my microphone hooked up to the watch. I ain't got no tank top on today, so I can't clip it to my shirt. So I'm secret agent trader today. I'm out here, got the microphone on my watch. Might not know who I'm talking to. I might just be out here like this tonight. We are approaching Walmart Spark delivery number 1. But this is actually delivery number 3, because this is my 3rd order of the day. But just the first one that's on video. But it's all good though. Look, this order had great miles to money ratio. It's putting me on the map getting that money. Now I only need 3 more orders for the day, and I'll be in good shape to make sure I smash out that Walmart Spark incentive list. So for this delivery, we got these foam board thingies right here, then some dog food and some mason jars. So let's go ahead and get it delivered. Walmart Spark order number 1. All right, we in good shape, guys. I just got my next order. I'm gonna be checking in back at Walmart. This one came in at $17, 2.5 miles, extra large order. So this one gonna be probably one to fill up the whole car, but the good thing is it's only one. And the mileage is super low and the pay is decent. Now I do got 10 minutes before this one is gonna be ready. So I'm gonna turn on some other apps and see if I can keep myself busy. But this right here, I believe, will put me at 10 trips. So we in good shape right there. Now hold on, because I did 2 this morning. Then I just did 1, that's 3. So that'd be, yeah, this would be trip number 10. So I need 8 more. And with it being 5:30 right now, I'll pick this one up at 5:45. Maybe I'll get my next one around 6:15, 6:20. The 7 o'clock hour, I'll be good to go because I got to head back across the water. But I may even be able to squeeze in 1 more because depending on how busy it is and how many orders out there, it could be a situation where I'm able to get 3 more orders done instead of 2 more. But right now, I got an order. That one got low mileage on it. As long as it's ready, I should be able to pick it up, have it dropped off somewhere between 6:05 and 6:15. And then I may be early enough to catch the 6:20 drop. Boom, get me another order. But even if I miss the 6:20 drop, I can still get an ASAP order. At the tail end of every hour, there's been a couple of ASAP orders sitting on there that didn't get picked up during the drop. So yeah, we looking pretty good. I did fill up my gas tank. Gas is $3.29 over in St. Louis, so I went over there and filled up. Cost me $40. Gas is $3.69 over here in Edwardsville, so that's a big difference right there. I had to go ahead and make sure I'm maximizing and being efficient with my fuel, and I just went on and filled up. I actually put $30 in the tank, and it got me 3/4 of a tank, and I went right back in, threw another $10 on there because I figured, hey, I might as well fill up because I'm going to use at least a half a tank before I fill up again. So I didn't want to be in a situation where I only had a quarter tank of gas. So $40. And now we full. And I think the first order this morning was $7. Then we had a $15 order, so that's 22 right there. Then I came back out and did a shopping deliver, so that put me at about 40. So yeah, I've already made the gas money back. And I got I'm already in the green as far as profits go for today. So that's the good thing about the gig economy. You can pay for the things you need to pay for in the moment, and then it's always an opportunity to make that money back. And I keep my expenses pretty low. So if you follow this channel, you'll know that my daily goal is $100. But for the most part, even on days where I spend a little bit of money, as long as I make that 100, I'm still in the profit as far as how much money's going out and how much I'm bringing in on the day. But typically I like to plan for $100 a day goal, and typically I'm able to exceed that, usually averaging about 150 to 170 per day when I go ahead and maximize and go hard. But look, I've been sitting here talking long enough. We finna head over to Walmart because now I only got 5 minutes left. All right, guys, today is the last day. It's Memorial Day today. I need, what, 4 more trips to at least hit the $75 of the promotion, and I'm lacking behind, man. I'm gonna need 7 more trips to hit the full 18 trips and get that $95. So let's see if we can do it. I'm here at Walmart now. I got my first order. I'm gonna throw a screenshot up here. It's a shop and deliver. Nice little banger, actually. All grocery items. But the thing is, it might be packed inside here because it's Memorial Day, and they might not have all the items. So we're gonna go in here and see what the hell going on. All right, we got our next order, $23.28. Look at all this sweat on me, man. It's 90 degrees out here. Look, this order came in clutch though, $23.28 for 5.8 miles. So it's actually not a bad trip at all. You know, as long as they $15 to $20 on the average for an order, anything over than that, that's a good order right there. So this one only going a couple miles up the road, and then the second part of the order gonna have me circling back, bringing me back in the direction of this Walmart. Now, I had a couple things I had to do today, so I wasn't able to maximize, but I'm still about to give it my all and at least try to hit the first part of this Walmart promotion, the $75 part. So let's go ahead and get right back to it. Next order. Boy, I just got lucky as hell on this one. $31.90 something cents, 8.7 miles. Might as well call it 9 miles. Look, this is a banger, because guess what? It ain't nothing but 3 items on this thing. Look. These are the kind of orders I wasn't even expecting to see on no holiday weekend. But look, if I get this one done in the next 30 minutes, I'll be at 5 p.m. and I'll have plenty of time to get 1 more done for sure. Now, if I can get 3 more after that, then I can get the full incentive, and that's what I'm aiming for. So look, I don't got nothing else on the schedule for today. Nothing else is planned. All my time for the rest of the day has been allocated to get this Walmart Spark Challenge done. And I'm happy that I just got this one, and it's 3 items, because I could have got a curbside that I would have, oh, excuse me, that I would have possibly had to wait, you know, a couple minutes on, or maybe 10 minutes. Or I could have got an ASAP order that could have been a bad offer, you know, that could have been, you know, maybe ready, but could have been, you know, an apartment drop off. But I got lucky with this one. Shop and deliver, 3 items. I'm the fastest dasher alive, so my feet move quick as hell. Let's go ahead and get up in here. I'm gonna grab these 3 items and be right back out. So we got 2 items on this delivery. This wall mount and this TV, and that's it. Next up, we got $9 for 3 miles. Only thing, two gallons of milk. Matter of fact, I think they both half gallons. 2 half gallons of milk, $9, 3 miles. That's 3 to 1 miles money ratio. This is what Walmart Spark coming in clutch on this Memorial Day weekend. Cause look, I thought it might have been all over, but I got this order as soon as I dropped off that other shop and deliver. Boom, dropped that TV off in that wall mount. Then I got this order. We here now, and ain't nobody else here, so I should be like not even waiting longer than 1 or 2 minutes, and I'm gonna have this order. Get that one dropped off, and it won't even be 5:30. I may actually have a really good chance at getting 3 more orders. Woo! Oh man, another college campus delivery. Next up, $16.68, something like that. Look, almost $17 on this next order. 5.5 miles. This one gonna make order number 16. And look, the pickup time for this one is 5:45. So hopefully they have it right ready, because that 5-mile trip ain't gonna take me nothing but maybe like what, 10 minutes at most to deliver that, then another 10-minute drive back. So if everything works out according to plan, I should be able to come back and be back by 6:10 to pick up another order, 6:15 at the latest. But it just depends on when this next round of Walmart Spark orders is gonna drop, because I got this one right now at 5:26, let's say, okay? So it's gonna be ready at 5:45. So I'm trying to see, is it gonna be another round of orders dropping at that 6:15, 6:20 mark? Because with it being Memorial Day and the orders is dropping kind of crazy, I'm not quite sure it's just gonna necessarily drop at that specific time. But look, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna head over there now. I'm gonna turn on DoorDash or Uber, see if I can pick something up right there, because I got about 15 minutes until, you know, my order gonna be ready for me to pick it up. So I'm gonna try to see if I can keep myself busy. But if not, I'm still gonna be right there ready for that pickup. So when it change over to ready, I'm gonna be right there ready to get it. Minute, boy, look. I got my next order number 17. As you can tell, I'm tired as hell. Look, I hope my microphone on. I don't even know if it's on, but look, this one is $8 for 3 miles, and it's only 5 items. I accepted it because I'm not sure I'm gonna get something good when these orders drop. This is 6:26 right here, so this 6:20 drop already happened. Now this one says 6:45 for pickup time, but that might be because they was out there shopping. They was in that store shopping it, and I don't want to take a chance of waiting all the way until 7:20 to get my next order. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna take this one. It's still 2 to 1 miles money ratio, and actually this is the lowest distance trip. I think out of all the last 3-4 trips I did, this might be the lowest distance. So I said, hey, I'm taking it, because I'm gonna be right back close to the store, and I can possibly get that last trip I need to make 18, and then have $95 extra coming on my next Walmart Spark check, because that's what I want to do. Look, whew, take it slow, man. Don't try to get all the orders done on the last day, because look, this is why I stress, get as many orders done as you can on the very first day, because it's gonna make your life a whole lot easier. $20, 9 miles, 2 orders. Let's go. I just got that last Walmart Spark order I needed, and the time is 7 o'clock on the dot. This is perfect right here. So now I'm in good shape. I just earned myself an extra $95 in Walmart Spark incentive. Let's go for this Memorial Day weekend. Can you even believe it, man? I wasn't sure I was gonna make it, but we did. I'm happy. Look, if you made it this far in the video, you the real MVP. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some screenshots up right here so you can see that I completed every single one of those 18 deliveries. And you see I'm all way good. It's in the green. I got my 18 trips done. I'm gonna get that extra $95. Let's go, because that's gonna be my gas for this whole week. Let's get it. Look, drop a comment below if you was going for this same Walmart Spark incentive. I heard they had a Sam's Club incentive going on at the same time too. So if you one of those lucky folks that got to take part in that, I appreciate you, because look, those are the ones right there that really make it worth it, those Sam's Club ones. So look, if you got to take part in both of those and you watch this video, I appreciate you. But look, that's all I got for you. I'm DashingTrader FDA. We gonna go over some totals tomorrow. I'm tired as hell, and I'm about to get this video mixed down for you. Set it on the ground, like I get to the customers' houses and I set the phone on the ground like that, and I'll record myself walking up to their house. And I need this microphone to get my audio as I'm walking away. So like if I show you this little clip right now that I'm recording, if it's recording, I don't even know, my audio will be super clear, just like if I was right up close to the phone.